I am at South Blackman Road at Multipli Credit Union. I have Lucas with me. First of all, good to see you, Lucas.
You too, Tom.
All right. Biggest question I think that I've heard or I've even thought is, can anybody belong to a credit union?
Yes, Tom, they can. You do not have to be a part of anything special to belong to a credit union.
Okay, that's good, because I think some people have the idea they have to belong to a certain group, you know, maybe a plumbers union or this, but anybody can.
Anybody can.
All right, what are some of the advantages or some of the benefits of belonging to a credit union?
Well, a credit union works just like a bank, but we are non-for-profit. So all of our profits actually don't go to the shareholders, they go back to our members. So being a part of a credit union, our members get to reap the benefits of our profits. And how we do that is we higher interest rates on savings and lower interest rates on lending, and also no fees for our checking or savings accounts.
Okay, though there were several really good things. I mean, when you're talking about, you know, loaning money and interest rates and that, things like that. Okay, mortgages. What makes your mortgage, your mortgage process different or a little more personal than someone might find at, another banking establishment?
Yeah, so the credit union, we have everything in-house from the start of it to the finish of it. So you know who exactly is going to be working on your loan. You can come in face-to-face or you can do it all online. But that's what makes us a little bit different is you're not going to just get a random email from somebody you've never met before. It's going to be somebody within the credit union who's going to underwrite your loan, close your loan, and be your loan officer.
It feels almost like where everybody knows your name.
Correct, yeah, for sure.
Okay, how do you help your members navigate different things? Because we're talking about interest rates that nobody's quite sure where they're going right now. Different processes like that. How do you help your members navigate these sorts of things?
Yeah, the first step of the process is to for sure get you pre-approved, and for that, it will tell you the number that you are able to lend as of right now of what your current financial situation is. Now that's going to differ obviously from member to member, but we can actually help navigate, okay, are you wanting a little bit more in your pre-approval? What steps are we going to need to take to get that? Whether it would be paying off some debt, maybe saving up a little bit more money, or vice versa.
Yeah. It sounds like then the whole process or the whole reason for a credit union being there is really to take it to a one-on-one sort of level with things.
For sure, yeah. We like the face-to-face interaction, especially me. I want to be able to sit down with you. I want to answer all your questions in person. That way when you leave, you know what exactly you're getting and what you need to do to accomplish your goal of buying a home.
Do you handle all types of loans here?
Yeah, so we do anything from the government loans, FHA, USDA, and VA. We also do land loans, construction loans. We have our in-house loans as well, which are for, we have a first-time home hero loan for like paramedics, nurses, everybody like that. And then we have a first-time home buyer loan that can go up to 100% financing, so you don't need to bring a down payment.
Do you have things like HELOCs and stuff like that?
We do HELOCs for sure, yes. That would be on the consumer side, but we do offer those as well.
All right. When you're talking about a home buyer, let's say they're in the market, they want to buy a home, they want to, own a piece of America, so to speak. What's the first steps that they should take before they really think of even walking in the door?
Yeah, I would definitely get your mind of what you're looking for. Maybe go on Zillow, look a little bit, say this is kind of the size of house we want, this is what price range we're searching for. And then when you do step in the door to do the application, I understand what you're looking for, so I can help you navigate to how to get that goal accomplished.
Make the steps go a little faster.
Yes, sir.
People want more information about the different services that you have to offer or becoming a member, any of the benefits of being here at Multipli. How do they get that information?
Yeah, you can go to our website or give us a call, 417-865-3912.
Pretty simple.
Yes, sir.
All right, Multipli Credit Union.